Okay, there's all the 6 devices. This is the master. These are all slaves. That's why these ones have dip switches to set their individual address. 4 switches on each. That gives us 16 combinations of addresses. I'll put them on these. It's just a bit of wood, some plastic stuck on there, and I'll drill some holes so we can temporarily mount them in the rack. The 2 link together via these terminal blocks. I've just made up a little cable there. The other one has just got little ribbon leads between each one. I've only got enough USB ports on everything to power this one, this one, this one, and this one. These aren't powered. In fact, I've broken that one, so I'm gonna have to be really careful with these. The little USB thing snaps off, so I'm gonna have to sort that somehow. I don't know how. But you see, this one is powered and got a green flashing LED. The flashing LED indicates that it's enabled, so when you press the button it will inject the key into that PC that this is plugged into. If we pull this jumper off, then it goes into an inactive state, so even though it sends the key command to the others, it won't actually inject the key itself into the keyboard. Okay, and then similarly if I did this one, well, I haven't initialized these yet, but similarly if I did those, they operate in exactly the same way. So these haven't actually connected yet, so that we can tell that by these green LEDs are not illuminated or not flashing. So in order to do that, we reboot this and it will scan for all of the devices it can find, initialize them, and then their LEDs will come on to let you know they're connected. So there you go, that's connected, connected, connected. So you can see only these 2 are configured with the jumper linked to actually inject the key that we want. Okay, this one isn't and this one isn't, but actually I do want that one because that's my main PC. Okay, so that one's now active, that's active, that's active, this one isn't. Okay, so then if we get all of my screens into view and I press the button here, you should see all those web browsers refresh. There you go. They're all slightly different times. That's just because the browser's slightly different, but the key is getting it instantaneously at the same time. It's actually when you release the button, you'll see from the blue lights here when I press, the blue light is lit there, but not on the others. But when I release, you see that's when it sends the contact trigger to activate it. Okay, catch you later.